The world seems to be spinning out of control. Wars are raging everywhere. Natural disasters strike more often. Technology races ahead faster than ever, and humanity feels more divided and confused. Amid all this chaos, a chilling question echoes in millions of hearts. Is the arrival of Dajjal very near? In today's video, we'll dive deep into this question. We'll explore powerful hadiths and mysterious signs that might send chills down your spine. Stay with me till the end, because this is not just a story, this is our future. Who is Dajjal? Dajjal, the most terrifying figure in Islamic prophecy. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "From the creation of Adam until the hour, there will be no trial greater than the trial of the Dajjal. He will be blind in one eye. On his forehead will be written the word kafir, disbeliever, and every true believer will be able to read it, whether literate or illiterate. He will perform miraculous acts. He will make it rain from the skies, turn barren lands green. But he will also test the faith of people in horrifying ways." Signs before Dajjal. But here's the burning question. Is the Dajjal about to emerge very soon? The Prophet, peace be upon him, described many signs before his appearance. Let's look at some that seem eerily familiar today. Widespread wars and conflicts. Today we see Palestine, Syria, Yemen, Ukraine, the world ablaze. Widespread confusion and deception. Truth is being labeled as falsehood, and falsehood as truth. Rampant immorality, social media spreading filth at lightning speed, deserts turning green in Arabia. Scientists confirm more rain and greenery appearing in the Arabian Peninsula. Many scholars and ordinary people ask, are these the signs? Is the Dajjal's time closer than we think? Where is the Dajjal now? Hadith tells us the Dajjal is currently chained on an unknown island. The companion Tamim al-Dari, may Allah be pleased with him, once encountered him on an island, locked and waiting. People ask, has the Dajjal already escaped from that island? The truth is, no one knows. Islam teaches us that while the signs will certainly appear, no one can predict the exact moment. Is our era preparing the stage? Are we living in an age where the stage is being set for Dajjal's arrival? Technology has reached heights where illusions, deception, and even simulated miracles are possible. Economies worldwide are shaking. Global politics is filled with chaos and uncertainty, and people are drifting away from faith and spirituality. Many scholars believe we are living in times that could be laying the groundwork for Dajjal's fitnah. But when he will appear, that knowledge is with Allah alone. What should we do? One thing is certain, no one knows the exact time of Dajjal's appearance. But the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us how to protect ourselves from his deception. Recite Surah Al-Kahf, especially the first 10 verses or the last 10 verses. Strengthen our faith, Imaan, by learning and living our deen. Do righteous deeds and place complete trust in Allah. Because Dajjal's greatest weapon will be presenting falsehood as truth and deceiving people's eyes and hearts. Let us prepare ourselves, whether Dajjal comes soon or not. Death is already very close for each of us. Dajjal will indeed appear, this is a reality. But when he will appear, only Allah knows. Our duty is to stay prepared, protect our faith, and hold tight to the guidance of the Prophet, peace be upon him. If you found this video informative, please share it with others. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Islamic words. May Allah protect us all from the trials of Dajjal. Ameen.